Department of Sociology, Pandit Mohanlal SC College for Women, Gurdaspur, welcomes you all in this shiny warm morning of fifth day of Faculty Development Program. During this session, participants would give review of previous day sessions. Once again, I welcome you all. So, uh, to present the review of the first session, now I call upon Ms. Mandeep Kaur.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. I am Mandeep Kaur from Anandpur Sahib. I am working as assistant professor in Computer Science Department of Sant Baba Seva Singh Memorial Government Girls College, Guru Ka Kumunne, that is situated in Noorpur, Bedi. I would like to show my kind gratitude towards the coordinator of IQSC SDKG and this faculty development program, Dr. Meenakshi Negi, and her whole team for organizing such a wonderful program under the guidance of Worthy Principal, Dr. Rama Arora. It's my pleasure to get this opportunity to review the session held on previous day. I'm going to review the technical session 1 that was held by Dr. Rakesh Thakur, and the previous day reviews were conducted by Dr. Kriti Sharma. The chairperson of the session was Dr. Harsh Bhardwaj, and the topic of the talk was phenomenological methods and case study. Overall coordinator of the day was Dr. Jyoti Arora. The talk of the day was Sir mainly covered the area of research in social research. The meaning of research was adequately defined, and need for social research had been described by providing various examples. The essentials and methodology of research had been explained wonderfully by clarifying the rules and procedures required for the research. Moreover, epistemology and its relationship among methods and methodology have been described by giving examples of feminism in agriculture. Furthermore, COVID impact have been told to explain qualitative and quantitative research. In addition to this, 4 different criteria have been provided to add value to the session. Sir has explained 4 different examples. First one was sanitary hygiene during the menstrual cycle. Second one was childbirth. Third was advertisement in cinema halls about smoking. And last was adolescence behavior. Besides this, more examples were provided to explain the phenomenological methods. The phenomenological process was described by giving an example of world views in different manners. Examples of skin color discrimination in other countries had been explained in very well manner to describe the different ways of understanding the world. Moreover, case study was characterized by telling the importance of exploring and understanding problems by implementing them. Further steps of case studies were appropriately described, leading to the generation of valid hypotheses. The session was very interactive and informative, as the resource person described everything by providing examples and correlate everything by providing case studies. Method of delivery was case study based learning, and the teaching aid used was PowerPoint presentation. The vote of thanks was presented by Dr. Jyoti Arora in the absence of Mr. Harvinder Singh. The topic and content of the session was very much relevant to the need of the participants, because not only social science people can do the social research, but also people from every area can collaborate to study the current scenario of the world around us. At the end of the session, resource person invited interested people to collaborate with him to research farmer protest at Tikri border. He motivated participants to create their interest in social issues and encouraged them to talk to people in the rally and record their experiences to analyze them. At the end of the session, the resource person had taken queries from the participants and cleared their doubts. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mandeep ji. It was well presented review from your side. Now I invite Mr. Harshit Tripathi to present his review.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Good morning, all of you. I am Harshit Tripathi, PhD scholar at Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers of FDP for providing me an opportunity to be a reviewer. The day 4 of the FDP was overall coordinated by Dr. Jyoti Arora and the chairperson was Dr. Harsh Bhardwaj. The first technical session was taken up by Dr. Rajesh Thakur. Dr. Thakur very lavishly and energetically explained the phenomenology and case study methods. He explained the ontology and epistemology of work, combining it with various aspects one can deal with combining it with research. He explained his thoughts through various case studies and stressed upon the technical identification of problem. And he states that we shouldn't be a stick to a problem. Instead, we should plan and give objective response to it. He overall provided a very well explained session for all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshit ji. Now I invite Madam Samita.
Good morning, all of
Is
you.
Madam Samita there?
I am audible, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Sumita Kumari, PhD scholar from the Department of Sociology, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Apart from point mentioned by two other reviewers, I am mentioning two important points. Both methods are qualitative in nature and require in-depth examination of the problem under study. These methods enriches our understanding of everyday life experiences. And Dr. Rakesh Thakur used different examples to enrich our understanding on the concerned topic. For example, issues related with gender, farmers, racism, etc. Lastly, I want to express my deep gratitude to entire team for conducting such a useful and relevant training program for us. Thank you, ma'am. Hello? Hello?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Present review of second session, I invite Ms. Millie Arora.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A very warm and cherished morning to one and all present here today. I am Millie Arora, Assistant Professor from the Department of Commerce and Management of Goswami Ganesh Dutt Sanatan Dharm College, Chandigarh. Today I'm here to present my review on the technical session 2, which was held on 10th of June 2021 on one of the most relevant topic of the prevailing time, that is managing participation, motivation, and engagement in online teaching. The session was chaired by Dr. Kamna Singh. The worthy and learned resource person was Dr. Gurcharan Singh from the School of Management Studies, Punjabi University. Sir started the session by explaining the basic concepts of e-learning and virtual classrooms and how it is difficult for the teachers to engage students as the attention span of students is less in online teaching than the offline one. Also stressed on the point that sometimes information is bombarded on students, which results in poverty of attention. And in order to overcome this short span of attention, approach of intrinsic motivation should be adopted. Few strategies were also discussed for engaging participants, like use of visuals, whiteboards, breakout routes, polling, and annotation. The session was made very interactive and participative by asking participants to open their cameras and microphones. Sir conducted many interesting activities to demonstrate the concept of cooperative learning, quick write-ups, and active learning. The wonderful session was concluded by a video of Steve Jobs in which a quote was derived that was "Stay hungry, stay foolish," which means one should keep on creating hunger for enhancing their knowledge and skills, even if the people think that they are foolish. The session was extended by almost 30 minutes, which was more than the allotted time. And the only minute problem faced by few participants is the fast pace of speech by Sir. In the end, I would like to take the liberty to say that the session was one of the most captivating, insightful, and a scintillating one. The formal vote of thanks was very well presented by Dr. Jyoti Arora, which put the session to an end. Thank you.
Thank you, Miliji. It was a very elaborative review from your side. Now I invite Ms. Jannat Dhanda. Ms. Jannat, are you there?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Hanji bacha, you have solved the mean of this sum.
Hello. Am I audible?
Ms. Jannat?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Good morning, everybody. I am Jannat Dhanda, Research Scholar of Punjab University. The session by Gurcharan Singh sir on managing participation, motivation, and engagement in online teaching was a really engaging session, as the topic of sir was, and he demonstrated it perfectly well in his session. With importances of virtual classroom and the engagement of students in the online teaching classrooms was addressed by sir. The importance of engaging students in the learning of virtual classrooms and the challenges faced by teachers in virtual classrooms were addressed by sir, and how to keep the students engaged and motivated during the online classes. Various techniques were given by sir to how to manage the online classrooms with the help of few videos and slides. He mentioned some key factors of student engagement, like the motivation of students, which is really important. And he gave some certain techniques to engage students. I was speaking with students in between, or a two-way video session with students, or using tools like Zoom, WebEx, Google Meet, so that students can understand better and there is better interaction between the teacher and the students. Concepts like active learning, cooperative learning, quick write-ups, and reciprocal teaching were given, were very well informed in a given presentation by sir. And overall, the topic that was addressed by sir was a full dimensional one, in which he discussed the problems and the related aspects to it, and how to go about online teaching in COVID times, and how it is important for teachers as well as students to take it seriously and be engaged as we are in traditional classrooms. So the session was very interesting one, and sir kept on engaging students in a very, very active way, and it was not at all a moment where the students were slagging or not engaging, because sir made sure that each and everyone was participating. In the end, he kept the last slide that was keeping up with critique, that the teacher should be open to criticism and nobody is perfect and everybody is trying well in their own ways. The vote of thanks was presented by Ms. Jaspreet Kaur, and the session was a very enriching and a thoughtful one. Thank you.
Thank you, Jannat ji. Now I invite Mr. Vivek P to present the review.
Ma'am, he is not here.
Okay, ma'am, in the list of participants, his name was there. Okay, let's move on to our third session. For review of third session, I invite Miss Nishi Mehak.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nishi Mehak. I'm here to review technical session 3, represented by Dr. R.C. Sharma and chaired by Dr. Jagjit Kaur. The topic which sir undertook was application of artificial intelligence in education. The topic presented was relevant to the current scenario, as with increased utilization of artificial intelligence and its broad application has changed the working methods witnessed in different fields. Sir spoke about the history, the evolution, and the present utilization of artificial intelligence, and gave us insight of numerous applications it holds in different fields. Sir talked about AI-empowered educational ecosystem and role which students, educators, and parents can play to learn and analyze the progress in real time. The way he delivered his thought was par excellence. He told about the CBSE AI curriculum and its importance in improving the learning experience in classrooms and at homes, and the role which parents as well as educators can play to motivate as well as encourage students. The session was very informative, and I would like to congratulate the speaker as well as the organizers for such an eye-opening event. Intensity of interaction was very deep, and it was amazing with the participants. The vote of thanks presented by Joydeep Talapatra was very precise, and thank you very much for this opportunity to be the reviewer of this session.
Thank you, Nishiji. Now I invite Mr. Kulveer Singh. Kulveer ji, are you there?
कुलवीर सर, you will need to speak louder. आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आई.
Hello.
हाँ जी, हाँ
Am
जी,
I
कुलवीर
audible
सर.
now?
जी, कुलवीर जी.
Good morning, all. I'm Kulveer Singh, Assistant Professor in the Department of Political Science at Government College Ludhiana East. I'm here to give review of the technical session 3rd, held on yesterday. The session was taken by Dr. Ramesh Sharma, and the chairperson of the session was Dr. Jagdeep Kaur, and the topic of the session was the application of artificial intelligence in education. Firstly, Dr. Ramesh explained the concept of VUCA word. That is, today's world is full of volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Hence, we need to be abreast with the latest technology in the order to be successful. Secondly, he explained the revolution in education and need to manage with current scenario. After that, he explained the various concepts like augmented reality, location-based technology, and virtual reality. One concept that fascinated me most was the Professor Philip Parker's algorithm, which can help a person to produce a book of 300 to 400 pages just in a few minutes. At last, he also said that artificial intelligence is important, but it cannot replace teachers. However, if teacher will not become a fast and better learner of technology in this dynamic world, they will be replaced by another technophiles. In the end, vote of thanks was presented by Joydeep Talpatra, and the overall coordinator was Dr. Jyoti Arora. It was very informative and wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you, Kulveer ji. Is Dr. Om Singh or Madam Jaskaran Kaur there? Anyone else from the 3rd session or 2nd session who have joined late? So I think Dr. Om Singh, Madam Jaskaran from the 3rd session, and Miss Neha Bhandari and Vivek Dee from the 2nd session, and Dr. Lalin Juali Fanai from the 1st session are not there.
No, ma'am, they have not joined yet.
In today's session, Madam Mandeep Kaur, Madam Harshit, Madam Sumita, Madam Millie, Madam Jannat Dhanda, Madam Nishi Mehak, and Mr. Kulveer Singh have presented their reviews. I must congratulate the organizer. Thank you. First of all, thank you to all of you for presenting your reviews. I must take the opportunity to congratulate organizers for selecting meaningful resource person. During last 4 days, first of all, I was very hesitant. मुझे लगता था कि बहुत सारी FDP ज्वाइन कर ली हैं, तो इस FDP को ज्वाइन करने में मैं रिलक्टेंट ही नहीं करना चाहती थी. लेकिन 4 दिन से जो हम सेशन लगा रहे हैं और जो सीखा है इन 4 सेशंस में, it was very useful. Once again, thank you to all of you. Now I invite Dr. Narinder Singh, chairperson of the first technical session.